Well, I'm coming back to Fort Worth, shiner in my blood, and I'm riding through the midnight hour in a Jacksboro flood. And I won't stop gambling till I lost too many farms, and my woman done fell from me, and the man's on my yard. Oh my God. Well, someone stole my candles and burned them at both ends. I can't afford to pay attention, drink away my drink.